If HandBrake feels slow on your PC, especially when you're using an NVIDIA GPU, this video will show you exactly how to boost HandBrake NVENC speed and get much better performance in just a few minutes. We're going to make a couple of simple changes that can help HandBrake use your hardware more efficiently, reduce bottlenecks, and significantly increase encoding speed. This is especially useful if you're working with large video files, long exports, or just want smoother, faster transcodes on Windows. If this helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more practical software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open HandBrake on your Windows computer. From the top menu, go to Tools and then click Preferences. In the Preferences window, look for the Video tab and select it. This is where you'll find the setting that can make a big difference in how HandBrake uses your system resources. Now check the box that says Enable Hardware Accelerated Decoding. This is an important step because it allows HandBrake to use your GPU more efficiently when reading and processing video. Instead of relying as heavily on the CPU, your NVIDIA chip can help handle both the input side and the output side of the job. In other words, your system can work more intelligently, and that usually means a noticeable boost in speed. Once you've enabled that option, go ahead and restart HandBrake. This step matters because the change may not fully apply until the program is reopened. After restarting, HandBrake will be ready to take advantage of the hardware acceleration setting you just enabled. Next, we're going to make sure Windows is not limiting HandBrake to a low power mode. On many systems, especially laptops, Windows tries to save battery by reducing GPU performance for certain apps. That can seriously slow down video encoding, even if you have a strong NVIDIA card installed. To fix that, press Start on your keyboard and type Graphics Settings. Open the Graphics Settings page from Windows. Inside Graphics Settings, you'll need to add HandBrake.exe to the list if it isn't already there. Click the option to browse or add an app, then locate your HandBrake executable. Once it appears in the list, click on it and choose Options. From the performance choices, select High Performance. This tells Windows to use your NVIDIA GPU instead of a weaker integrated option. If your computer has both an integrated and a dedicated GPU, this step can make a huge difference in encoding speed and overall responsiveness. Now go back into HandBrake itself. In the main HandBrake window, open the Video tab again if needed and look for the Encoder preset slider. This is another key setting that affects how fast or how efficient the encode will be. If you want more speed, move the slider toward fast or very fast. A slower preset can squeeze out a little more compression efficiency, but it usually takes longer. For most people who want a practical speed boost, fast or very fast is the sweet spot because it gives you a much better balance between quality and performance. At this point, HandBrake should be set up to work much more efficiently with your NVIDIA hardware. You've enabled hardware accelerated decoding, restarted the app, told Windows to prioritize the high-performance GPU, and adjusted the encoder preset for faster output. Those three changes together can dramatically improve FPS and lower the time it takes to finish each encode. If you want to test the difference, try encoding the same video before and after making these changes. In many cases, you'll notice the encoder starts faster, runs smoother, and finishes sooner. That's exactly what you want when you're trying to get the most out of NVENC and your NVIDIA chip. So to quickly recap, go to Tools, then Preferences, then the Video tab, and enable Hardware Accelerated Decoding. Restart HandBrake. Then in Windows Graphics Settings, add HandBrake.exe and set it to high performance. Finally, in HandBrake's Video tab, change the encoder preset to fast or very fast for a stronger speed boost. If this tutorial helped you boost HandBrake NVENC speed, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.